Today I made chicken tikka recipe and am sharing it with you. Let's get started. Chicken tikka pieces, 3. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Place deep cut. Like, share, and subscribe. First, marination. Ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon. Salt, 1 tablespoon. Lemon juice, 1 tablespoon. Rub it well. Marinate for 1 hour in refrigerator. Second, marination. Thick yogurt, 1 cup. Cream, 2 tablespoons. Cumin powder, red pepper, chili flakes, chaat masala, and coriander powder. Add all spices 1 tablespoon. Piri piri sauce, 1 tablespoon. Lemon juice, 1 tablespoon. Orange food color, 1 teaspoon. Whisk well. Like, share, and subscribe. Chicken. Mix it and until well mixed together in the sauce. Marinate for 4 hours or overnight in refrigerator. Cooking time. Oil, 2 to 3 tablespoons. Marinated chicken. Cook on low flame for 12 to 15 minutes. Flip sides. Cover and cooked for 10 to 15 minutes. Cook on medium flame until water is reduced approx. 5 minutes. Like and share. Don't forget to share with friends and family. Garnish with sesame seeds and mint leaves. Cover for 1 minute. It's ready. Like and comment. Please like,